So what I have right now is a bunch of garbage that I'm going to throw out. We got low-grade board, so it's about 4 ounces. So we're talking about pennies. Usually I get, I think they're like 15 cents or something like that on board sort. Got the aluminum, which is about 4 ounces. And I usually get around 60 cents, so this would be 60, about 15 cents right here. So we're up to about 30 cents of scrap. And we have the copper bearing motors. Okay, which is about 6 ounces. And I usually get about 18 cents a pound, which again is not much in this case, which is probably another 5 cents or so. So actually now we're about 30-cent mark. Then we have the wire scrap. I have this hunk of wire that was part of it that I cut off. Plus all these little extra bits, so we're at 8 ounces, so about half a pound. Now I usually get 80 cents a pound, so we're about 40. So depending on the day, on the market and everything, we're talking about 80 cents to about $1 worth of scrap on one of those old school power supplies. Obviously, if you have a working one, don't scrap it, because you can get about 5 once you ship and pay the fees online. Or, like I said, locally, if you can sell it locally, even better, because then you'll be able to get around 10 to 15. It's a little hard to find people locally, at least for me. So that's pretty much it for the video. It was a nice quick one compared to my last one. So like and subscribe. If you guys have any comments, great. You know where to leave them. If you have any suggestions, I'm all ears. If there's anything specific you want me to scrap, let me know, and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for joining me, and we'll talk soon.